Y'all, happy Sunday. It's Sunday morning. Well, it's still morning. We're about a half hour from noon. So the Seagull, wanted to shoot a little demo video of this thing. What we've done is, what I've done is lowered some, the nut action here, the first fret action on this guitar down to about 18 thousandths across all 6 strings. So they're perfectly balanced with the neck radius. And then we also removed a couple of 64ths off of the bottom of the saddle and brought the neck or the string action here at the 12th fret down to 4 64ths on the low E and about 3 64ths on the high. So this is a very, very low action. Brand new set of clear tone 12 to 53 gauge strings. They're a coated string, and to me they don't feel coated, which is something I really like, but they give you a nice long life on the guitar string. So we'll play a little bit of a demo, try and run a loop here. We'll see what I can come up with. Thing plays pretty good. Peace, y'all.